Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a nice Christmas cozy clean with me. If you have been here before, you know how much I love a cozy home, so that's what I want to try and get today. I'm just going to be going around doing the odd jobs that need doing, pottering around the house and just making it nice and cozy. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm really excited today because today's video is also a collaboration with Tammy Ferns, and Tammy and I have done a collaboration before and you guys absolutely love that one, so we thought we'd come together and do another one for you guys. So she is going to go ahead and have a video waiting for you on her channel, so once you've finished watching this one, please do pop over and watch hers as well. I know she would love to have you over there, so don't forget to subscribe to her channel and also let her know down in the comments that you came from here. And I'm going to go ahead and have everything you need linked down in the description box below.
Under the mistletoe, while Santa's big.
So as you can see, I wanted to start off in the bedroom today and just freshen it up a little bit and make it a bit more cozy. So I'm just going around giving everything a good dust and just making sure it's nice and fresh, and then I can go in and give it a good hoover as well, because it has been a while since this bedroom has had a bit of TLC. So I'm just going to go around and freshen everything up.
Lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
So once that was all done, I'm just going to go in and give everything a good spray over with my Fabuloso Gold Touch Spray, because this stuff smells beautiful. And then I can go ahead and sort the washing out, because I've got a wash load to get done that's needed doing for quite a while. So I've really got to get on top of the washing, and then I can crack on with the rest of the house.
As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
So I'm definitely a summer person. My mood is always determined by the weather. So I love the sun and the heat and just everything that summer offers. But for some reason this winter I've really enjoyed the rainy days. I find it really relaxing to just potter around the house, doing a good clean and declutter and just get everything nice and cozy whilst it's raining outside. It's just such a nice feeling. So let me know if you like pottering around the house on rainy days too.
Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh. It's my favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree.
So once I had all the washing up done, it was time to go in and wipe over the sides. I'm using the Flash All Purpose Spray in the spiced apple scent today because it smells gorgeous. So I'm just going to go in, wiping everything down, making sure that everything is nice and clean, ready for the day, whilst adding in that beautiful fragrance.
Does this come true? These few days go by so fast. I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so
So now it's that time for my favourite job, and it's cleaning the sink. It's not been too long since it's had a good deep clean, so I'm just going to go over it with my flash spray just to make sure it's all disinfected and nice and clean, and then I'm going to go over it again with the white vinegar spray to buff it up and make it super shiny.
Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true, Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah. And so all of you, come true, yeah. And so are you, Does this come true only once a year? Only once a year. A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
So once the kitchen was nice and fresh, it was time to head through into the front room and whiz round and just freshen that up and make it nice and tidy. But as you can see, my little lamb is sleeping under his box, and I just didn't have the heart to move him. So I'm just going to work around this box for a while until he's ready to come out and play. So I'm just going to whiz around, sorting out all of the blankets and cushions and just putting everything back where it belongs, freshening everything up for the day to make it look a little bit more put together, so I can then go in and do the dusting and the hoovering, because you know those two are my just dream jobs to do. It makes the whole room feel so much cozier once it's had a good polish and a hoover. So I'm just going to go around and just make everything feel super cozy today.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
But the fire keeps us warm.
I love how hoovering can make such a difference to a room. I always try and make sure that I do it every day, because I know this sounds really silly, but I just feel like hoovering makes the room feel bigger, or it does to me anyway. It makes it feel bigger and airier, and I don't know, I just really enjoy it. So I always try and make sure I do it every day, or at least every other day. I am going to go ahead and link this hoover down in the description box just in case you do want to check it out, along with the corded one as well. I love both of them. The vacs are just really good in my opinion, so I always use both. But yeah, they're going to be down there just in case you want to check them out. But I'm now going to try and sort out my washing. I've got a few bits that need ironing, which I think I'm just going to leave until the next day so I can do all of this together. So I'm just going to hang up what needs drying and then I can sort it all out together tomorrow.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you.
On rainy days like this, it makes me even more thankful that we transformed this room into a laundry room. Saves me having to go into the garage when it's raining, and I'm just so thankful that we finally got around to doing it. But I also love hanging it up because it just makes the whole room smell amazing. So everything is smelling super fresh at the moment.
It's Christmas, the first for me and you.
So we've now come to my favourite part of the day. Once everything is nice and clean, I always stick the kettle on, go round turning all of the lights on, lighting some candles and just making everything super cosy. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to pop over to Tammy's channel and also watch her video as well. Subscribe to her channel and let her know that you came from here. And if you are here from Tammy's channel, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and I hope that you want to stick around by subscribing so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you back here in the next one.